Alright, Chance, go. Come here, Chance. Come here. Want a treat?
Go get mommy. Come here, Chance. Come here, Chance. Oh. Chance. Get it off, Chance. I mean, y'all two are. You were funny at first.
Chance is just like, alright. Oh, she's smart. She got it off. Wait, did she? Yes, she did.
It's funny how she's walking.
Because it's in her way. Get it off, Chance. Get it off. What is that? What is that?
There we go.
Where's the monkey? Alright, Chance, you're no fun.